Howdy, howdy. So, real quick, I just wanted to show you the admin hub with the glossary of terms that I just sent you. Kind of show you a little bit of how it's all going to play together. So, we have this glossary of terms over here. I have just recently added the genre term under that media topic. So, you can see that if you need a new topic, you can come over to the processing view, say that the new term is definition. We're going to give the definition of definition, how to explain something, I guess. But in order to get it out of this processing view, just add a topic. So this would be, we'll just say other because I can't think of anything, but that puts it in the topic list under the other topic. If you have a new definition, it takes on the related terms, and you can see it right here, anything that they have there. But one fun thing that I'm going to be working with the admin hub and building it into every single template is a workspace settings tracker. One of the things that is going to help people not want to go away is having something that is easy to track and return to anywhere they were in that system. So alongside the glossary of terms, that will be in the information station or at the lowest bundled level where it would make sense. If we had the life hub, the business hub could be inside the information station, but by the time we bundle these together, it will likely be a little bit different. So just the admin hub is going to be in the information station moving forward. Don't worry about that right now. It's a few months off, maybe a couple weeks, not exactly sure, but the idea is that when you create a linked page like this, they can come over to their entire system and say that I want to sort by star. I want to see all of the pages that have stars in it. So that's going to pull up all of the important pages. It's doing a little bit funny right now because it's in a toggled list, but if I paused it for a second so I could create a new view, but what I did is it's showing toggled subpages, and that doesn't really work for the searching for a star. But as you can see, since we have that consistent icon, if you're looking for a favorite or important area, or specific section, you can come over to that and then click right into it to go to it. So that's going to be part of every single template that we send out, just to help people have a structure to fall back onto.